Where are you today? So you're going to Babri Rusa.
Oh no, the tiger!
Okay, we're going inside the tiger. Malayan tiger. Malayan tiger. Okay, this is the place. Look at here, Matil. Come here. Look at the tiger. Go there. I can see. Oh, bakit? Wait. What's that? Okay. You read what's that? It's the roar, the moan, roasted. Tell. Brawl. You're inside the aquarium. We have aquarium at home, right? Yeah. Where? Ooh. It's a Chinese alligator. Where's the Chinese alligator? Oh, ayun pa, mga small fishes. Just like there's an aquarium. Ah! Daming tilapia. Oh, the baby fish. Ito, lumapit siya sa'yo.
So big!
Laki. 2 kilos to. 2 kilos yun. Yeah, you bring food. What's that, Martel? There's a baby inside. Sa bag. Oh, it's your favorite ride? Oh, the big one is there.
Hindi mo ko lang tayo nahirapan tayo ba?
Saan? Oh, it's their food. Carrots. Okay.